What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I want to introduce another project of ours we've been working on for a little while. It's a 2001 C5 Z06. I'm going to put a couple pictures in of when we picked it up. Needed a lot of work, really beat down, been ragged out for a lot of years. But we blew this whole car apart. Didn't have a hood on it when we got it, and it's got a junkyard hood on it now that still needs repaired and painted. Brake ducts, obviously aren't down there in the rockers yet, but the whole car was completely taken apart. All the body work done, then refinished in GM Inferno orange paint. Shaved the antenna, tinted all the lights, stuff like that. Nothing too crazy. Lowered it down. Picked up got a great deal on some CCW classics off Marketplace. I believe they're 17 by 12 in the rear, maybe 11. 17 by 10 in the front. Got pretty good sized tires under them. Got a steal on those. They really help, bring the car to the look we wanted to have for it. Got quite a bit more to do on it. I've got full exhaust for it. I've got racing seats that got to get the brackets fabricated so they'll fit in there. Got a lot of compound to get cleaned up on it. Fluids changed, all that kind of stuff. Like I said, it was really beat down when we got it. But we've almost got the cosmetics finished up on it just about. Then we'll start on to the performance stuff and try to get out and have a little fun with it.